about to leave. Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
Hello everybody, my name is Sandra. Welcome back to my channel. Today is an actual date night makeup look. This is the first date night that I've had in 2 months with my husband. No, it's been almost 2.5 months now since we've actually gone out. I'm going to do my makeup and I'm wearing fancier clothes tonight just because it feels more of a night to actually go out and enjoy myself. And not that I didn't enjoy myself before, but this is more of a date night. So I'm going to start with my Caudalie Beauty Elixir. This is more of a toner, but it feels really good on the skin as a prep before makeup. I swear it's one of my favorite products. Okay, next I'm going in with a primer. I usually interchange my Milk makeup and my Caliray, so we're using the the Caliray today. I'm also going to be using a lighter foundation. As you can see, I got my nails done. They're foil nails. They look so cool, and this is fountain pen ink that I stained my hand with, of course. That's what I do, because I'm a fountain pen user. If you are too, you totally get it. Okay, so next up is foundation. I'm going to go back to the Patrick Toffer Face. This is the shade Light 3, I believe. Yes, Light 3. It's because this is like the best shade for my skin right now. My skin is very, very light. I haven't seen any sun in a long time, so I'm just going to use it. I am going to do something different. I'm not using a sponge. I used to use a sponge all the time, but I've been loving the brush. I'm going to spray my brush with a setting spray, and then I'm going to dip it into the makeup. So normally, I don't think I've ever done this before. Usually I spray my face and then put on the product. But we're going to try this because this foundation, it's really dry. Like Patrick Top products are really creamy and really nice, but this one I'm just finding it's so dry for my skin. So we're going to do this instead. Oh, I feel like I'm painting my face. Add water and paint away. And then I'm also going to add some of my Glow product on top. I'm just going to have to keep blending until this blends in because pretty much feel like I'm literally like streaking my face with paint here. I'm actually not doing shadow today, like at all. I'm not doing any contour around the eyes or anything. I really want the lips and the cheeks to be the standout moment today. So we're just going to keep blending really, really well. My Hollywood Flawless filter. This is the shade 4. Okay. I don't need any more foundation. I think that's good for foundation. Okay, I think that's really, really nice. I'm going to go straight in with a fluffy brush and I'm going to add my powder. I haven't done concealer yet, but we'll do that right after. I just want to get this on the rest of my face. I feel like I've actually added quite a bit of moisture to my face, adding that setting spray with that foundation. So we're going to go ahead and set the entire face. I am using my Huda Beauty Easy Bake and Snatch powder. This is the shade Pound Cake. Goes really, really well with lighter skin tone. It's really a nice glowy finish, and I'm not really going to add extra product to my skin other than blush. So then I want to do eyebrows, I think. Eyebrows really make a statement on your face. So I'll go off camera and do eyebrows. I'll be right back. So what I like to do, I go into dry lips. Make sure there's no product. I add the lipstick first and then I add the liner. So the lipstick is going to be my Tarte. See if I can read this. It's like the, gosh, I can't even read it. I do not remember the name of this. It is old. It's from Tarte, and this one's called Miami Vice. So I'm going to put it on my lips first. It's a dark red. Okay, so it's completely uneven. I'm going to take my lip liner. This is the shade Mina by Morphe. It's the Morphe color pencil, and I'm going to create an outline for my lips. Okay, so I'm just going to, I'm kind of happy with that, but I'm going to change the shape of my Cupid's bow a little bit. I think it's kind of okay. I don't know, I think I need to go in with a little bit of concealer. And I wasn't going to use concealer tonight because I feel like my under eyes are looking not terrible. But on that note, I think I'll use a little Shape Tape. And this is just going to be a smidge. Like, I'm not going to go in with much. I'm going to use this tiny little shaped brush. And I'm just going to clean up my lip line here first. So I'm going to add a little bit of concealer underneath the eye. It's just a little bit. I don't need much. It's such a huge applicator. I'm going to use my concealer brush. I'm going to go in with my powder. And set my under eye. Okay, and I'm just going to use a smidge of blush. We will use Berry Amore. This is 03. Milani Baked Blush. You can get this from the drugstore. I don't know if all drugstores have it, but I know Rexall has it. Okay, so I'm just going to put a little bit on the cheeks. Just a little bit high up. Then I'm going to blend that out with a fluffy brush. Don't need a lot of blush, I just want a little bit. And then I'm going to line only the upper lash line. So I'm going to use my Too Faced Better Than Sex Black Liquid Liner. And we're going to put on some mascara and lashes, and I'll be back in a minute. All right, guys, I'm all done. I think that's it. The last finishing touch is, of course, setting spray. I didn't even add any highlighter today. So that is it. The lips are the statement today. And I am out of setting spray too. Perfect, because I do have another one. So thank you guys so much for watching this makeup look. I hope you enjoyed it. Quick but short and sweet. So give the video a thumbs up. If you are new, please subscribe, click on the bell button, and I'll see you next time. Happy date night. Bye.
Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.